In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change website colors in GoDaddy Website Builder. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. After the editor loads, look for the Theme option. Click on it to open your website design settings. Inside the Theme area, find the Colors section. This is where you can control the overall color style of your website. When you open the Colors section, you will see a list of available color palettes. These palettes are designed to update the look of your site quickly and keep the design consistent across different sections. Scroll through the available options and review the different combinations. Next, select the color palette you want to apply to your website. As soon as you click a palette, GoDaddy will apply those colors across your site design. You will notice changes in areas like buttons, headings, backgrounds, links, and other visual elements. This helps you see how your new color scheme affects the overall appearance of the website. Take a moment to review the updated colors carefully. Look at how the palette works across the page and whether it matches your brand or the style you want for your site. If needed, try a few different color palettes until you find the one that works best. You can switch between options to compare them before making your final decision. Once you are happy with the color palette, close the theme settings. Then click Preview to see how the updated colors will look on your website before publishing. This is a useful way to check the design on the page and make sure everything looks the way you want. If the colors look good in preview mode, click Publish to apply the changes to your live website. After publishing, the new color palette will be visible to your site visitors. That is the full process for changing website colors in GoDaddy Website Builder. It only takes a few moments, and it is a simple way to refresh the design of your site and create a more polished look. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.